Alright, I want to do a quick unboxing of the Benchmade Anthem, give my first impressions. It's cold and rainy outside, but I figured I'd come out anyway and do this quick video. Let me open it up here. Got the rat, been carrying the old rat. Traded a guy named James for this knife. Traded him my Chris Reeve and Cosi, which may end up being a bad trade, but I wanted to try this. Get this out of the way. Alright. Here it is, the blue box, blue Benchmade box. 781 Anthem. 117, 18, and we'll take a look. Standard Benchmade packaging. He said it was like new in box. He said he hadn't used it or nothing. So we shall see what we can see here. And here it is. Oh wow. You know, it almost looks more silver outside anyway than it does in some pictures. Let's see how the action is. But that's smooth. Oh wow. Wow, that's crazy. Compared to a regular Benchmade like a Krypton. Oh my gosh. There's a shot of the handle there. And that pocket clip that everyone loves. 20 CV on the blade there. Stuff starting to blow away. He did say it was a little off center. It's not too bad. It's not horrible. It's not great. Which I can live with that. I can live with it. Apparently it's a thing with these Anthems. And there's the clip being raised, just like everyone says. So first impressions is that it's extremely smooth, like extremely smooth. Second impression is it's thinner than I thought it would be, which is a good thing. Thinner and lighter than I thought it would be. Just can't get over the action though. It's awesome. Let's see if there's any blade play or anything. No blade play. So that's good. It's got a crown spine there. It's an integral handle. Integral, I guess how you say it. It's one solid piece of titanium. Looks like that the body of the knife works as the stop pin right there, or in place of a stop pin, I should say. Pretty cool. It's less goldish than I thought it would be. It's almost more like a silver kind of stonewash. I like how easy it is to open and close right off the bat. Let's see if I can flick it. Might take some practice. There you go. But yeah, it's got a good action, that's for sure. So I did order another pocket clip for it already. I ordered the MXG gear clip, so I'll probably be putting that on there, but I'll use this one until it gets here. Got the 2 screws there for the access lock, which they had to do a little different in this model because they couldn't get in there and assemble the can't remember what they call those springs for the regular access lock. So some people have said that this is a little bit better designed anyway. So So, first impressions are it's pretty dang awesome. Don't know if I have much else to say about it. I'll see how it feels in the hand. Oh, it's good. Real smooth, no hot spots. I've heard some people say that some of these edges were kind of sharp, but I don't really notice it too much. Maybe a little bit. If you're bearing down on it, you might notice it a little more, but not really. No jimping, which is a good thing or a bad thing, depending on who you are. Let's do a size comparison here. Let's see. Pretty much down to one good knife. I sold most of my collection, I ain't gonna lie. And I keep trading that one good knife. I had that at Cosi for a while, and I wanted to try this Anthem when a guy offered it for trade. Let's see. It's a little bit smaller than the Rat. The Rat 1. Look at the close length on. A little bit smaller. Definitely lighter. Which the Rat is smooth in its own right. For being a more cost-friendly knife, but nothing like this. This actually has a weaker detent than the Rat does. A lot weaker. Actually, I could probably shake this up. It's on the verge of coming out. Oh, there it went. So yeah, detent not very strong. Just opened it, stabbed my chair. Yeah, something to note, but I don't think it'd be too much of a problem. You can see how it retains the blade a little bit there. So I might do a follow-up video. It's on ball bearings. Might do a follow-up video after I get the pocket clip and carry it for a while, but first impressions is that it's awesome. Alright, well, I just wanted to make this quick video, and hope y'all had a good Christmas and have a Happy New Year.